Good afternoon, student. Let me continue the fourth lesson problem. First problem is a square of coil of side 30 centimeter with 500 turns is kept in a uniform magnetic field of 0.4 Tesla. The plane of the coil is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the field. Calculate the magnetic flux through the coil. Magnetic flux. Let me find out the value of the magnetic flux. Given data, cross-sectional area A is equal to 30 into 10 power minus 2 meter. The 30 into 10 power minus 2 meter square is the area. It is the side, one side of the square. So area of the square means side into side. So 30 into 30 into 10 power minus 2 into 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 4. 30 into 30, 900. 900 into 10 power minus 4 can be written as 9 into 10 square into 10 power minus 4. 10 square into 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 2. So this 900 into 10 power minus 4 can be written as 9 into 10 power minus 2 meter square. Now the magnetic field is B is equal to 0.4 Tesla. Plane inclined to the field, theta is equal to 30 degree. Now plane inclined to the field means we have to subtract from 90 degree minus 30 degree. Theta is equal to 90 minus 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. Number of turns is equal to 500 turns. So now find out the value of magnetic flux. Phi B is equal to question mark. So solution is, what is the formula for the magnetic flux? Phi B is equal to NBA cos theta. Here N value is 500. B value is 0.4 into A value is 9 into 10 power minus 2 into cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2. So 500 can be written as 5 into 10 square into 0.4 can be written as 4 into 10 power minus 1 into 9 into 10 power minus 2 into 1 by 2. Here 2 and 4 cancel to each other. 4 cancel by 2. Then 5 into 2 into 9. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 9, 90. 90 into 10 power minus 1. So 90 into 10 power minus 1 can be written as 9. 9 Weber. The answer is 9 Weber. So the magnetic flux phi B is equal to 9 Weber. Then second problem is a straight metal wire crosses a magnetic field of flux 4 milliweber in a time 0.4 seconds. Find the magnitude of the EMF induced in the wire. So given data is magnetic flux, that means d phi is equal to 4 milliweber. So 4 milli means 4 into 10 power minus 3 Weber. So change in magnetic flux is represent d phi. Change in magnetic flux, d phi is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 3 Weber. Change in time, dt is equal to 0 because time is not mentioned. Time is mentioned. Time is equal to 0.4 second. Here dt is equal to 0.4 second. 0.4 can be written as 4 into 10 power minus 1 second. What is the magnitude of the EMF? So solution is magnitude of the induced EMF epsilon is equal to d phi by dt. What is the value of d phi? D phi is nothing but 4 into 10 power minus 3 Weber divided by dt is nothing but 0.4 can be written as 4 into 10 power minus 1. 4 cancel to each other. 10 power minus 2 goes to numerator side means 10 power plus 1. So 10 into 10 power minus 3 volt, or otherwise say 10 millivolt, because 10 power minus 3 is nothing but milli. So epsilon is equal to 10 millivolt. The next problem is the magnetic flux passing through a coil perpendicular to its plane is a function of time and is given by phi b is equal to 2t cube plus 4t square plus 8t plus 8 Weber. If the resistance of the coil is 5 ohm, determine the induced current through the coil at time t is equal to 3 seconds. So given data is phi b is equal to, that means magnetic flux, phi b is equal to 2t cube plus 4t square plus 8t plus 8 Weber. Resistance R is equal to 5 ohm. T is equal to 3 second. What is the value of current? I is equal to question mark. Solution is epsilon is equal to d phi b divided by dt. Here phi b is nothing but 2t cube plus 4t square plus 8t plus 8. Just substituting the value. So d by dt into 2t cube plus 4t square plus 8t plus 8. Differentiate this term. So what is the formula for the differentiation? N into x power n minus 1. Here n term is 3. N is nothing but 3. N into x power n minus 1. N into x means x is nothing but 2t. 2t is considered as x. So n into x power n power minus 1 means 3 into 2t 6t. N minus 1 means 3 minus 1 2. So 6t square plus, here also n into n power minus 1. N is nothing but 2. X is nothing but 4t. So n into x power n into x 4 into t 2 into 4t 8t power 2 minus 1 is nothing but 1. So 8t plus 8t, differentiate 8t term means is nothing but 8. 8t term is nothing but 8. So differentiate this constant, 8 means constant, differentiate the constant term means we get 0. So that is why the 8 term become a 0. So 6t square plus 8t plus 8. T time is equal to 3 seconds. Epsilon is equal to 6 into 10 power 3 power square. That means 6 into, what is the value of t? 3. So substituting t value 3. 6 into 3 square plus 8 into, what is the value of t? 3. 8 into 3 plus 8. Now 3 square is nothing but 9. 6 into 9 plus 8 into 3 24 plus 8. 6 into 9 is nothing but 54. 54 plus 32 is equal to 86 volt. So induced current, what is the formula of current? I is equal to V by R. Here V is nothing but epsilon. Epsilon divided by R. What is the value of epsilon? 86 divided by 5. So 86 divided by 5 is nothing but 17.2 ampere. I is equal to 17.2 ampere. So current value is 17.2 ampere. The next fourth problem is a closely wound circular coil of radius 0.02 meter is placed perpendicular to the magnetic field. When the magnetic field is changed from 8000 Tesla to 2000 Tesla in 6 seconds, an EMF of 44 volt is induced in it. Calculate the number of turns in the coil. So number of turns in the coil. Given data is radius R is equal to 0.02 meter. Here R is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. So 0.02 can be written as 2 into 10 power minus 2 meter. B1 is equal to 8000 Tesla. B2 is equal to 2000 Tesla. dt is equal to 6 second. Epsilon is equal to 44 volt. Theta is equal to 0 degree. Then n is equal to question mark number of turns. Calculate the number of turns of the in the coil. Now what is the formula? Epsilon is equal to d phi b divided by dt. d phi b can be written as NA B. B is nothing but B1 minus B2 divided by T into cos theta. Actual formula of epsilon is equal to NAB cos theta. Here the equation can be written as NA B1 minus B2 divided by T into cos theta. Now the area of the circular coil, area of the circle is nothing but pi r square. Pi means 3.14 into r square value. R value is 2 into 10 power minus 2. Here 2 into 10 power minus 2, the whole power square is nothing but 4 into 10 power minus 4. So epsilon value is 44 volt, theta value is equal to 0 degree. Then we can substituting this value through this equation, we obtain epsilon is nothing but 44 is equal to turns, number of turns is a question mark, area is nothing but 3.14 into 4 into 10 power minus 4, B1 value is 8000 minus 2000, then time on the 6 second into cos 0 degree, cos 0 degree is 1. Now 44 is equal to n into 3.14 into 4 into 10 power minus 4 into cos 0 degree into 8000 minus 2000 divided by 6. Now 4 and 44 cancelled each other, 44 cancelled by 4, 11 4s are 44. So 11 is equal to n into 10 power, n into 3.14 into 10 power minus 4 into 1, because cos 0 degree is nothing but 1 into 6000 divided by 8000 minus 2000 is nothing but 6000 divided by 6. 6000 cancelled by 6000. 1000 can be written as 10 cube. 10 cube into 10 power minus 4 is nothing but 10 power minus 1. So 11 is equal to n into 3.14 into 10 power minus 1. Now rearrange this equation. N is equal to this 10 power minus 1 goes to left hand side, means into 10. That means into 10 power plus 1. 11 into 10 power plus 1 is nothing but 110. 110 divided by 3.14 is equal to 110 divided by 3.14 can be written as 22 divided by 7. This 7 goes to numerator side, 5 into 7. Here 110 divided by 22 is nothing but 5. Here cancel by the 11th table, 10 11s are 110, here 2 11s are 22, then cancel by 10 by 2 means 5, 5 2s are 10, so 5 into 7, 5 into 7 is nothing but 35. Here number of turns of the coil is nothing but n is equal to 35 turns, 35 turns. The next fifth problem. A rectangular coil of area 6 cm square having 3500 turns is kept in a uniform magnetic field of 0.4 Tesla. Initially, the plane of the coil is perpendicular to the field and is then rotated through an angle of 180 degree. If the resistance of the coil is 35 ohm, find the amount of charge flowing through the coil. Given data is A is equal to 6 cm square. 6 cm square can be written as 6 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Then n is equal to 3500. This 3500 term can be written as 35 into 10 power square turns. Tesla, B is equal to 0.4 Tesla. This term 0.4 digit may be written as 4 into 10 power minus 1 Tesla. Theta 1 is equal to 0 degree. Then theta 2 is equal to 180 degree. T is equal to, because time is not mentioned, so that is why we consider T is equal to 1 second. R is equal to, resistance is equal to 35 ohm. What is the value of Q? Solution is epsilon is equal to minus d phi by dt. Here NBA cos theta divided by T. NBA cos theta can be written as cos theta 2 minus cos theta 1. Here we can change the sign, means cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. Now substituting the value. only considering the magnitude, epsilon is equal to 35 into 10 square into 4 into 10 power minus 1 into 6 into 10 power minus 4 into cos 0 degree minus cos 180 degree divided by 1 because times value is 1. So multiple these terms, cos 0 degree is 1, cos 180 degree is minus 1, minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. Here 35 into 4 into 6 is nothing but 840. 840 into 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 5 plus 2 is nothing but 10 power minus 3. So 840 into 10 power minus 3 into 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 840 into 2 is nothing but 1680 into 10 power minus 3 volt. This is the value of epsilon. Now, let me calculate the value of I. I is equal to epsilon divided by R. What is the value of epsilon? 1680 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 35. R value is 35. Cancel 1680 cancelled by 35 means 48 into 10 power minus 3 ampere. 48 into 10 power minus 3 ampere. What is the formula for Q? Q is equal to IT. I is nothing but 48 into 10 power minus 3. T value is nothing but 1. So 48 into 1, 48 into 10 power minus 3 coulomb. So Q is equal to 48 into 10 power minus 3 coulomb. So this term can be written as Q is equal to 48 millicoulomb. 48 millicoulomb. Thank you, student.